Good morning, students. We are talking about file handling in Python. In previous lectures, we assumed that the file which we want to access are in the same folder in which our Python program present. Today, we discussed how to access those files which are in different folder. That is, our Python program is another folder and the file which we want to access is in another folder. Hence, how to access such type of files? We use complete path in open function to access such type of files which are in different folder than our Python program. We use complete path of the accessing file in the place of file name in open file function. Just like in all the programs we discussed till date, we use just like the file name as file handler my file equal to open access.txt. Why we use only file name? Because it is in the same folder in which our Python program. Let this file is in another folder different from our Python programs folder. Then what we have to do? We use complete path. We use complete path. Here we want to access result.txt file which is in different folder than our Python program. Then we use complete path of result.txt file in open function. Okay. Here complete path is e/main/result.txt. It shows that our result.txt file is in E drive and in main folder. Main folder is in E drive. Okay. Here main thing is that we use double slash. Why? Because slash, we know that in a file path we only use single slash. In a file path we use single slash, but here use double slash. Why double slash is used? Because slash having a special meaning with some combination of letters, just like /n. It is a new line character. /t, it is a tabbed character in a programming language, in a Python programming language. Hence, to neglect their special meaning, we use double slash. Okay. Where slash is used, we use an extra slash to neglect its special meaning. If we want to use only single slash, then we use letter R before the path. As in this example. Here letter R is used before the complete path of our file, and we use single slash in the path. Okay. Why we use single slash? Because we use letter R before the file path. Okay. Hence it is clear, if we do not use letter R in file path, then we use double slash. Okay. And if we want to use only single slash, then we use letter R before the file path. Okay. Now we discussed how to use binary files. Till date we discussed all the programs related to text file. We want to access text file, then how we access it. Now we discussed how to access a binary file. वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड व्हाट इज़ बाइनरी फाइल्स. बाइनरी फाइल्स क्या होती है इसके बारे में हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. वी टेक अ क्विक रिव्यू अबाउट बाइनरी फाइल्स. A binary file is just a file that contains information in the same format in which the information is held in memory. That is the file contained that is returned to you in raw. It means binary files are stored in the same format as we stored all the files in memory, and these are in the form of binary numbers, in the form of 0 and 1. Okay. All the files which are stored in 0 and 1 format are called binary files. Why we use binary files? Because accessing a binary file is easier and faster. Binary files are faster and easier for accessing. Okay, binary files are easier and faster for accessing, to read and write. टू रीड एंड राइट. रीड और राइट ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करने के लिए बाइनरी फाइल को एक्सेस करना क्या होता है, ईजी होता है. दैट्स वाई वी यूज़ बाइनरी फाइल्स फॉर परफॉर्मिंग रीड राइट ऑपरेशंस. ओके, हाउ नाउ वी लुक हाउ टू एक्सेस बाइनरी फाइल्स. व्हाट चेंजेस वी हैव टू डू इन ओपन फंक्शन टू एक्सेस अ बाइनरी फाइल. For accessing text file, we use letter R in file mode. ठीक है, we use letter R in file mode for accessing in read mode a text file. For accessing a binary file in read mode, we use letter RB. For accessing a binary file in read mode. Same as for accessing a text file in write mode, we use letter W, and for accessing a binary file in write mode, we use letter WB. For accessing a text file in append mode, we use letter A, and for accessing the binary file in append mode, we use letter AB. Hence, conclusion is that for accessing binary file, we use letter B. We use letter B with the file accessing mode. जिस भी मोड में हमें फाइल को क्या करना है, ओपन करना है, उस मोड के साथ हम लेटर B का यूज़ करेंगे टू एक्सेस द फाइल इन बाइनरी मोड. कोई भी फाइल है जिसको हमें बाइनरी मोड में एक्सेस करना है तो हम बी लेटर का क्या करते हैं, यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, हेंस वी हैव टू ओनली कीप इन माइंड टू ओपन एनी फाइल इन बाइनरी मोड. वी यूज़ लेटर बी विथ द मोड पैरामीटर. ओके, विथ द मोड पैरामीटर. To open a file in write mode in binary format, we use WB. W for write mode and B indicates it is opened in binary format. Same as A indicates append mode and B indicates the file is opened in binary mode. Students, see this video and try to understand with the help of book Sumita Arora Python. Okay, thanks.